Hi, my name is Peng Min and I'm 33 years old. Currently, I'm just finished type rating A320 at Vietnam BAA. Well, I love travel and I was cabin crew before. So actually, I inspired from one of the flights. I flew with the female pilot. She was cabin crew before. And so she took me to the cockpit and see the cockpit, and then once went there, I was just like fascinated about the instruments and the buttons, and then she saw me such instrument about the cockpit and said, if you want, if you like, you can become a pilot too. And then since then, and then my pilot dream just started. People are thinking pilot is for men, and it's men-dominated working environment. So they think women just doing housework or look after the kids. And also for the pilot training, they take lots of money, and then so this is probably the reason as well. Just follow your dream. If you dream to become a pilot, then just follow it. I know people think you're old and then you cannot become a pilot. It's difficult to manage, but I have to thank my husband to support me and look after family. And if I can do it, you can do it so. So that's why I'm here to inspire you. The horizon is no limit. Let's do our dream.